Welcome. In front of me is a Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SIM, or not the SIM card, but SD card onto the device, or vice versa. So to get started, we will need to open up the File Manager application, which is this yellow folder app right over here. And when you open it up, if it brings up any kind of request to gain access to your storage or stuff like that, just grant it all. And from there, you should see the page as I have one right here. So what you want to do is go into either the phone storage or the SD card. I believe the files that I'll be transferring are on the phone, so that's where I'm going to look for them. But both of the SD card and phone should have a very similar file structures. As you can see, we have a bunch of folders right here: alarms, Android, DCIM, downloads, movies, and so on. And if I go to the SD card, well, here I have only Android, but in normal circumstances, if the device will start saving onto the SD card and it needs those folders, it will automatically create them, so it will then start actually looking kind of like it does right here. And now, apart from the folders that we can see right here, there are a couple that I would consider important ones. So we have the DCIM and downloads and also pictures folder, there we go, which for instance, DCIM folder will contain pictures, videos captured with the phone. As you can see right here, there we have a couple images right here. Then the downloads folder obviously will contain anything that you have downloaded on your device, and that'll be through an email or web browser. And then pictures folder contains screenshots. So once you find your files, which for me they are right over here, you want to select them, and to select it, all you need to do is simply hold the file. As you can see, it changes and gives you the number of selected items, and from there you can simply tap on additional ones to select more. And once they are selected, tap on the three dots and choose to either copy or cut it. Now, depending on what you choose, it will have a little bit of a different effect. If you cut it, they will be completely removed from where they are right now, but if you copy it, they will be duplicated. So I'm going to go with cut, and from here we want to basically back out and go to a location of our choice where we want to move our files. So I'm going to go to an SD card, and I'm just going to drop it right here. So once you are located inside of the area that you want to put those files in, simply click on this clipboard, and there we go, we have now moved the photos. So that is how you transfer any kind of file. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.